Salesforce Salescloud certification dumps. Q1. CloudKix has just completed its initial Sales Cloud Go Live. CloudKix leadership wants to target users who are not yet using the new application. What should a consultant recommend? A. Track logins in a spreadsheet. B. Run a report on users never logged in. C. Run a mobile login report. D. Use the Lightning Usage app. The answer is option B. Run a report on users never logged in. Q2. During the cloud deploy phase, end users are complaining that they have a new system to log into, and it's holding up training. What is the likely cause of these complaints? A. CloudKix did not gain bind during the analyze phase and the did not build buzz during the build and validate phase. B. CloudKix did not gain bind during the design phase. The solution was not designed. C. A communication plan was not designed during the plan phase and buzz was not generated during the deploy phase. D. A training plan was not made during the validate phase and buzz was not during the design and validate phase. The answer is option C. A communication plan was not designed during the plan phase and buzz was not generated during the deploy phase. Q3. CloudKix is undergoing a GDPR-focused implementation to ensure access to personal information data is limited to only users who need access to a company's account. CloudKix has a private account model. How should the consultant provide specific account access to the renewals and sales operation teams? A. Create renewals and sales operation account team member roles and have sales allocate account team members to the appropriate users. B. Create a role-based sharing rule to share all account with the sales operations and renewals roles. C. Add renewals and sales operations team members to a sales user's default opportunity team. D. Create a criteria-based sharing rule to share accounts with the sales operations and renewals public groups. The answer is option A. Create renewals and sales operation account team member roles and have sales allocate account team members to the appropriate users. Q4. CloudKix has purchased a list of prospects and wants sales representatives to begin to contact and measure the return of investment, ROI, of the people in the purchased list. Which solution should the consultant recommend? A. Create a new custom object for purchased leads. B. Import the list as new leads and update the lead source to purchased lead. C. Create a campaign for this list, import the list as leads, and add them to the campaign. D. Import the list as new leads using the import wizard. The answer is option C. Create a campaign for this list, import the list as leads, and add them to the campaign. Q5. CloudKix wants to allow a single view of contacts that belong to the same account hierarchy chain. How should the consultant meet this requirement? A. Navigate to the default contact hierarchy Lightning component on the parent account. B. Create a report to display all related contacts. C. Navigate to the account hierarchy page to view all related contacts. D. Enable the View All Child Contacts feature. The answer is option B. Create a report to display all related contacts. Q6. In order to increase and promote adoption, sales management at CloudKix wants sales representatives to follow opportunities they create. Which two actions should the consultant recommend to create a solution? A. Turn on the chatter feed settings that enable stage notifications to opportunity owners. B. Create a report with newly created opportunities and have sales management subscribe to the report. C. Turn on the chatter feed settings that enable users to automatically follow records that they create. D. Use Process Builder with an action type of follow chatter when a record is created or edited. The answer is options B and C. B. Create a report with newly created opportunities and have sales management subscribe to the report. C. Turn on the chatter feed settings that enable users to automatically follow records that they create. www.salesforcestar.com plus 91,939 crore 39,34,143